IBM Planning Analytics Workspace version 2.0.105, also known as 2.1.12, was released on June 25th, 2025. What's new in books and reporting? Version details are available from the title bar. Click your username, select About Planning Analytics, then click Runtime Versions to view the version for Workspace and the spreadsheet service. Pick lists provide greater control over how empty values are displayed, with options available in the Formats Manager under Data Area, Data Entry. You can replace the default None label with a custom string or remove the empty value option from the dropdown entirely. Drill Views displays the full toolbar and includes the set editor, aligning their functionality with the source cube view. Features such as zero suppression, exports, save, sandbox, and member selection remain available. This ensures a consistent experience and makes it easier to explore details without compromising functionality or control. Storage configuration for OpenShift deployments is streamlined with automatic handling of these key environment variables. These adjustments simplify maintenance and reduce manual configuration efforts. This applies to the local deployments of PAW. Let's have a look at what's new in modeling. The process editor includes a setting that controls the default data type for new parameters. Developers can choose between numeric or string. The setting helps streamline TI process development by aligning defaults with typical usage. The TurboIntegrator debugger displays variable values on hover during a debug session. Simply move the cursor over any variable in the script to see its current inline value. This complements the existing debug panel by providing faster in-context access to values while stepping through code. The Database Explorer shows the number of elements in each hierarchy within a dimension, giving a quick view of hierarchy size and structure without opening them individually. This element count appears alongside each hierarchy when a dimension is selected. The Database Explorer shows the data source type for each TurboIntegrator process, such as None, CubeView, or ODBC. This makes it easier to identify and organize processes based on their input sources for faster troubleshooting and process management in the modeling workbench. The TM1 Server log viewer displays extended information for each log entry, helping administrators and developers understand server activity more efficiently. Each entry includes a more link that reveals additional context without switching tools or referencing external log files. This enhancement improves visibility into runtime behavior and simplifies troubleshooting. Credential fields in Drive Explorer supports web browser password management. This allows browsers to prompt users to save their file share username and password, reducing repetitive entry when accessing local files. No changes are required in the Drive Explorer configuration, as credential storage behavior depends on the browser's own settings and permissions. What's new in administration? REST API session timeouts can be configured directly in the Planning Analytics Administration interface using the HTTP SessionTimeoutMinutes parameter. This setting controls how long REST API sessions remain active before timing out, which is especially useful for integrations that require persistent connections to the TM1 database. Two memory control parameters for MDX queries are available in the Planning Analytics Administration interface. Maximum global query memory size MB sets the maximum memory that all concurrent MDX queries can use. If exceeded, queries are terminated. The default value is 0, which is disabled. And maximum single query memory size MB defines the memory limits for an individual MDX query. If the threshold is exceeded, the query is terminated. The default is set to 0, which is disabled. These parameters help maintain system stability by limiting the memory impact of complex or long-running queries. Lifecycle Management Snapshots supports a maximum size of 100 megabytes, which increases flexibility when working with larger assets. While the 100 asset limit per snapshot remains, this update allows for more complex deployments without needing to split content into multiple files. And that's the last feature for this version.